está filmando.
See?
Ay, Dios mío.
It's got the build sheet here for that Grand National we just got. How much horsepower do you think this thing has?
What, 350 horsepower?
No, I think it's got more than that. It's got a lot of mods on it, so it's a stock motor. It has a cam, bigger turbo, 60-pound injectors, and it's running on alcohol, which is pretty sweet. You love alcohol, don't you?
Vodka, beers.
Remember the last one we dyno was like 330 horsepower?
Yeah,
And 380
that's
torque. And all I had was a chip, intake, and exhaust. That's it. I think like 400 horsepower.
412.
Let's write this down. So I'm gonna say 400 horse, 480 torque. So John, you're saying
450?
you're at 380?
Let's do 420.
Jesus. Hey Jake, how much power do you think right now this fast? The one we just got? 200? 200? I am estimating this car could put out about 400 horsepower. I think Yasid said 415, so we'll see what happens. Michael, how much horsepower are we gonna make? 400. He said 400, so everybody, we'll see what happens. Holy crap. Oh God, here we go again. Hold on. I knew we'd lose them in these back roads.
Past month, that's why it went down and up.
So right
This
now,
ramped up, that's where it tapered up. Like it spiked the boost up and then it came back down.
running, so what was the horsepower? You got 307, 377 torque. We're a little bit low.
He was good.
I wanted to go higher boost. Horsepower, 417 torque. We're only running 18 pounds of boost, so that's really, really good for that number. So we just finished dynoing the car. At 18 pounds, we knocked out 320 horsepower, 417 torque. Pretty good. If we do around 22 pounds, this thing will be easily over 400 horsepower, and I would say 450 torque. So I'm really happy with that. The air-fuel ratio was 11 across the board, even at tall RPM. So it's a really healthy motor, really safe setup. But there's a lot more room for improvement if you really want to boost it out.
guys should really subscribe and like these videos so we can provide more content, and so I can stop eating beans. I'm honestly getting really tired of eating beans every day.
Let's be serious. No matter how fast your car is, you can't run away from the radios or helicopters. We're right by the airport. There's no way that we would be able to get away. But I'm sure I'd give them a real hard time.